Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by installing Vital and making sure Garageband recognizes audio units. This avoids later loading errors. Once done, restart Garageband and enable audio units in Preferences. Create a new software instrument track, then click the instrument slot and choose Vital from the audio units list. You're now ready to hear MIDI triggering Vital. Make sure your MIDI keyboard or controller is connected and mapped. If not, use the musical typing or draw notes in the piano roll to test basic sound playback. You'll next shape the core timbre. Either load a preset or init the patch to build from scratch. Once ready, set oscillator waveable positions and dial detune and unison to taste. This gives width and harmonic content. Then route oscillators into a filter, choose slope and cutoff, and sculpt amplitude and filter envelopes for attack, sustain, and release behavior. Use LFOs to modulate waveable position or cutoff for motion. Make sure to assign modulation amounts deliberately so the result remains musical and not noisy. You're at the finish line. Add Vital's internal effects and Garageband channel effects to taste, EQ to carve, reverb and delay for space, saturation for presence. Once done, record live automation or draw parameter lanes to inject movement. When satisfied, solo or freeze the track and bounce or export the mix. If you encounter crackles or plug-in silence, make sure audio units are enabled, increase buffer size, or freeze the track to reduce CPU. If presets fail to load, reinstall Vital or reset Garageband's cache.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.